Welcome back, everyone. So glad you're here. Are you feeling like your energy levels just are not what they used to be? Do you hit that mid-afternoon slump and wish you could just crawl back into bed? Well, you are not alone. But what if I told you that reclaiming your vitality, especially after 50, is not only possible but can be achieved with a few simple, enjoyable habits? Want to learn 5 awesome habits that can totally boost your day and make you feel more alive? Let's jump in! Grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the morning. How you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. My first tip is to hydrate and move within the first 30 minutes of waking up. Before you even think about coffee, drink a large glass of water. Your body is dehydrated after a long night's sleep, and rehydrating first thing jumpstarts your metabolism and clears out toxins. Then, do some gentle movement. I am not talking about a full-blown workout, just 5 to 10 minutes of light stretching, a few yoga poses, or even just walking around the house. This simple combination tells your body, hey, it is time to wake up and get energized. It increases blood flow to your brain and muscles, shaking off that morning grogginess for good. Habit number 2 is to fuel with protein and fiber. Many of us grew up on carb-heavy breakfasts, like toast or sugary cereals, which can lead to a quick energy spike followed by a crash. To maintain steady energy throughout the morning, focus on a breakfast rich in protein and fiber. Think about scrambled eggs with spinach, a Greek yogurt parfait with berries and nuts, or a smoothie with protein powder and chia seeds. Protein keeps you feeling full and satisfied, while fiber helps regulate your blood sugar levels. This powerful duo prevents those energy dips and keeps your mind sharp and focused until lunchtime. It is a simple switch that makes a world of difference. Our third habit is a real game changer. Scheduled power-down breaks. In our hyper-connected world, we are constantly bombarded with information, which can be incredibly draining. Instead of pushing through fatigue, intentionally schedule 2 or 3 10-minute breaks into your day where you completely disconnect. This means no phone, no computer, no news. Step outside and get some fresh air. Listen to a favorite song, practice some deep breathing, or simply sit and stare out the window. These mini recharges for your brain reduce mental fatigue and stress, allowing you to return to your tasks with renewed focus and energy. It is not about being lazy, it is about working smarter and preserving your mental stamina. Coming in at number 4 is to embrace the nature pill. Research has shown that spending time in nature is a powerful and natural energy booster. This does not mean you need to go on a multi-day hike. Even 15 to 20 minutes in a local park, a walk around a tree-lined street, or tending to some plants on your balcony can have a profound effect. The combination of fresh air, natural light, and green scenery has been proven to lower stress hormones, improve mood, and restore mental energy. Think of it as your daily dose of natural vitality. It is free, accessible, and one of the most pleasant ways to recharge your batteries. Finally, habit number 5 is to cultivate a gratitude ritual. Our mental and emotional states are directly linked to our physical energy. Ending your day by focusing on the positive can dramatically improve your sleep quality and overall outlook, which in turn boosts your energy for the next day. Before you go to sleep, take just a few minutes to write down or simply think about 3 things you were grateful for that day. It could be a kind word from a friend, the taste of your morning coffee, or the beauty of a sunset. This simple practice shifts your mindset from what is wrong to what is right, helping to reduce anxiety and promote restful sleep. You will wake up feeling more refreshed and emotionally resilient. So there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful habits to bring more energy and vitality into your life after 50. Remember, it is not about making drastic, overwhelming changes. It is about incorporating small, consistent actions that add up to a huge impact. Start with 1 or 2 that resonate with you and build from there. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Until next time, stay vibrant and take care.